Everybody, Motorport 59 here. There's been a lot of talk about UFOs lately. Obama did his thing about things he couldn't talk about, UFOs, involving UFOs, but he was very extremely vague. They released this footage from a fighter jet of some object hauling ass across the ground I don't know, they didn't say how fast it was going. It looked like it was going pretty fast. But I truly believe that there is probably intelligent life out there somewhere. There's just too many galaxies and there's too much of the universe for us to be the only intelligent life. Do I believe that there is other life, maybe a lot closer than another galaxy? Yeah, I do. Is it intelligent life? Is it life like we know it? Is it life like us, beings, or is it just organic life? Or is it just, the beginnings of something? I don't know. You know what I mean. Is it really intelligent life, life forms who are capable of creating the technology that we have done here? Even though our technology isn't great where space travel is concerned, it's pretty cool. My thing with UFOs on Earth or around Earth or whatever is if they've been hanging out here since, according to a lot of people, 10,000 years, building pyramids and things, and that we shot some down in 1947, the Roswell incident, and then all this new stuff, why haven't they exposed themselves? Why are they hiding from us? If they are that technologically advanced, certainly they would have ways of hiding from us. And if they were coming here, why come here? We have nothing for them. Even our natural resources aren't worth coming all the way across the galaxy for. And I simply don't believe that faster than light travel is possible. I believe that physics is physics no matter where you are. The energy that it would take to propel any matter past the speed of light doesn't exist. We are able to take tiny pieces of atoms, particles, and accelerate them using magnets to speeds approaching the speed of light, but we can't even get anything like that going that fast. There is no form of propulsion that could propel a craft of any size that might even have one person in it past the speed of light. As matter approaches the speed of light, it becomes infinitely dense. And as you go faster and faster, and this doesn't even have anything to do with the speed of light, just plain speed and aerodynamics and what we know about our own space travel, the faster you go, the more fuel you use. And there's just not enough fuel. You just can't carry enough fuel of any kind to create a propulsion system that would propel you using an exhaust of some sort, like a rocket, to speeds anywhere near the speed of light. And even if you could get something that could go the speed of light, our closest star is Proxima Centauri, and it's right at 4 light years away. So even if we could propel ourselves that fast, or they propel themselves that fast, which we don't think there's life there, but they say it's a habitable zone exoplanet, whatever. It would still take 4 years to make that journey. Right now, with our fastest technology, it would take about 60,000 years to get there. A light year is a long, long way. It's about 6 trillion miles. And my question again, where UFOs are concerned, why come here? And why not just land and, like they did in Independence Day, and start taking over? Or land and be friends, whatever. I think it's a bunch of hooey. I don't think that any aliens have ever visited this planet, and I doubt that we keep spending money on exoplanet research, and I have to wonder why. Because unless we come up with light speed technology, which would be something like in Star Trek, warp speed. That means they're warping space. They're using some form of energy that is able to warp the space. So they start here, they warp the space. They don't actually go across space. They bring one point to another point. Or other forms where they could ride the wave of space-time. We have absolutely no idea how to do that. The amount of energy it would take to warp space, a big enough chunk of space that it would get you from one place to another quickly, it doesn't exist. We just don't have the ability to produce that kind of energy. And if there's another race that has the ability to do that, again, why here? Why come here? Why hide yourself? And if you're going to hide yourself, why not hide yourself better? Or land and let's be friends. Share your technology with. When Obama was talking about his UFO knowledge, I doubt that there was ever anything that was actually what they thought to be aliens. He was probably can't talk about it, probably because it's classified United States military research, and that could very well be what they saw from this fighter jet and the stuff they got on that, and something that guy wasn't supposed to see. And who knows what kind of high-speed technology we have for in-atmosphere flight. You know, we have Area 51. We know what the government wants us to know about this stuff, and I think Barack Obama was just being his typical jerk of a self, trying to make himself look smarter than he is, or more knowledgeable than he is, or has something to hide that he can't talk about. I think that he should get a talking to about that. That won't happen because the Democrats are in charge. I don't know. What do you think about UFOs and whether aliens have been here and faster than light speed travel? What do you think about all that? Let me know in the comments below. Shoot me an email at motorpoet59@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe, click on the bell if you want to be notified of future content. We'll see you all later.